Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the crisper pan in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new crisper pan. The crisper pan is a middle drawer located in the refrigerator compartment. The most common reason to replace the crisper pan is if it cracks and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the crisper pan, all we need to do is pull it out until it stops, then lift it up, and we can remove it. All right, let's place this crisper pan on the table, and we're going to remove this overlay because the new pan doesn't come with overlay. Simply peel it off. This is the old crisper pan next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. And now we're going to install this overlay onto the new crisper pan. Place it like that. Twist it around and push it down. Now we're going to install it. Into the fridge, you're going to slide it onto the rails. Press it and slide it all the way. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.